Jijinam Jason Yasunda Jivelanda to Nemba Javi Namo Regadal Jenge, Jumunda, the Megan Tamje get on From every substance and beings, I have received all the collections of goodness, happiness, from numberless, from beginningless rebirth, numberless times from beginningless rebirth now and future, including enlightenment. So therefore, I must achieve a state of omniscient mind. And for that, I'm going to set teaching. So the motivation and the righteous conduct, righteous motivation, as well as conduct. According to the traditional according to traditional the great the lamas of the practice but that clarifying that and need to listen. Besides what I've explained yesterday, up to yesterday, then also in Sutra I mentioned Kangshi Sangje Yicheba, Ti do not. Kangshi Sangje Yicheba, Ti do not Tatshu. 딱말 진실 없제라 네버공례 남바주. In Sutra it's mentioned. Whoever one thing whoever is Buddha. In the presence of that, so when you see the disciples, or the disciple, think the virtuous friend, the Buddha, Sangde Yicheba did not doubt you. In the presence of that disciple, then the Buddha is always there. They do not in the front of that disciple, the Buddha is always there for that person, for the disciple. Sangje Yicheba. Anybody who is a disciple, anybody who the virtuous friend of Buddha. In the presence of that disciple, Buddha is always there. Sangye Yijeba didn't Tatshu. Takbara Chinyu Lobjishi always blesses that disciple who will practice Guru devotion. We're taught, Sambetans, Jovatans, we're taught, always they are thinking, Sambetans, the we're devoting the virtue friend, that is Buddha. That's 100% Buddha, no doubt. 1 minute doubt, 1 minute think Buddha, 1 minute doubt, none of that. 1 minute ordinary being, 1 minute maybe Buddha, maybe not. Anyway, so the 100% Buddha. Sambetans, the way of devoting of the mind. So Buddha's always in the front of that person. And then always blessed, then Buddha in the presence of that person, blesses the disciple, that who look at the Guru or Buddha, all blesses the mind. Bless the mind. Takbar Chinyu Lodji. Nyevakule number 2. Then liberate the disciple from all the mistakes. Nyevakule number 2. Liberate the disciple from all the mistakes. That I have to understand. What quotation, what is in the Sutra. So that's the unbelievable benefits. Yeah. So besides particularly beginning and yesterday what I mentioned. And besides that, and then this. And one more reasons. proof of this. For example, here the mostly all the students would know about Nechung, the government protector, Nechung, but it's older aspect. Nechung, there are many others, older aspect, that, you see in the, when there's, is one so private also the government have some questions to ask, so they invoke also, but special on the special occasions, special days where they do in Tibet, special occasions, but also when there's important occasions. So they, they do prayers and they invoke the protector, Dharma protector. Okay, Dharma protector, and it comes. When you invoke Dharma protector, then it comes. It enters oracles. The oracles, the body, oracle. You see those. Even those worldly aspects, protectors. So you think the name, and then you think the name and ask them to come to enter the body, so they come there. You see? So not only that, even in the West, ordinary spirits, people dead, and people dead, born spirits, and you think of the name, and it enters in the medium. In the medium, the body enters, and it changes the face. Yes, it enters, it changes the face. Or kind of changes from the normal face of the person. It changes very strange faces when piled, and very kind of strange faces changes. Probably I think spirit is, maybe something more or less can't say, but something kind of like old looking, kind of, change the face and talks. You see, even ordinary spirits, you think in them, then you think the name in the mind, you ask to come, they occupy the medium and change the face. You just think the name, the spirit, and then comes there. You see? I don't know what not everybody had that experience, but I remember in Australia, Chinese Institute, there's one lady, she has been, I think it's a kind of, maybe white, there's spirit, who don't harm, who helps, there's spirit like that. More towards the white side. So there's people at the center, they've been taking advices from their spirit and medium and asking questions, and they make go right down. Anyway, so one day, one Lama and myself, we arrived there, and then called her one day, and And Lama wants to check. So what Nagarjuna's view, whether it's correct or not. So I don't remember 100% now, I forgot. I think she said that I was talking so much on the Edlur Dharma. I think she knew that. I think she might be there when I was talking about, many days I was talking about the Edlur Dharma, Edlur Oldly Dharma. So I think she might be the spirit might be there. So then she said this. She could not say exactly Edlur Dharma, but you told, as she was funny, you told Edlur. She said you told something Edlur. So Miss Edlur Dharma. So, she said that was good. That's good. But Nagarjuna's view, probably she doesn't seem really understand. It's an ordinary spirit, not projector, ordinary spirit. So, but I think somebody may be helpful to help him. I don't know, somebody will harm, maybe not like that. So, there's something like that. There's something like that in the West, or maybe even Chinese, those places, and in the West. There are people who maybe, I don't know, less. I don't know. Anyway, so you think that it means spirit, you think name and it comes there. So why not Buddha? Understand? One or two. So of course. Buddha was 7 higher beings. So of course, Buddha. Of course, you have to. That's very truth. You have to accept. Buddha's of course no question. So, yeah, that's. So as you think, Buddha, all 10 direction Buddha, holy body, for this whole different Buddhist mind is all the 10 direction Buddha, numberless Buddhas, holy body of your mind. I have to think, can think that. So you can see, no question. Kanshi sangje yijeba te duna dakshu. Taba jinji lobjala nyebukune nambacho. And then, I don't remember the exact words. And then also, so Buddha abide always in the front row. That is the disciple or that, sentient being. And then, who think that, who devotee thought like that, then always abide. And then accept the offering. Is Shavataka Shava. Accept the offerings from the disciple. And make the disciple to collect humble measure. So collect extensive merits and purify the negative defilements, negative karmas, the most, and collect the most extensive merit, and purifies obscuration, negative karma, collected from beginningless, but purifies the most. So all of that abide, Buddha abiding from that person, then the disciple then accept the offering, and then make the collect the most excellent merit and purify the different. So that I don't remember the words. I thought the meaning is that. So the then So the virtue. So you see, when you so offering service or something, so so the any action of the holy body, not ordinary, it's the action of numberless, action of all the Buddhas. Any action of speech is giving advice to you or anything, action of speech. All the Buddha's action of speech. And the action of mind, or one thing, or you think, one thing. The action of all the numberless Buddhas' holy mind. So all were receiving teaching or the advice or then I think this is all the Buddha's advice. What when you're teaching, all the Buddhas given this, Guru Shakyamuni Buddha given teaching, Mithya Buddha given teaching, Manjushri given, Tara given teaching, everything, all the numberless Buddhas giving teaching to you directly or advice. So see, as I often make prayer, this Pandalame number Tavala, Gijis down, Lotame Gijin, the Lagotum Giji, Lame Chel, Semla Chukaso, to realize, to never rise Harris and go 1 second, it was good. And then to receive the Lame Chilip, I put this way, to discover, to realize, all the Guru's action, all the Buddha's action, I put in that way. So that's most important prayer. Not having that, so that's the problem. Not having that, then your mind, nothing happening, You think I've done this, I've done that, I've done this, but retreat this, I did this retreat, that retreat, this, I did that, but no realization, nothing. Then somebody look at you. Somebody look at you, nose up, nose up. Somebody look at you, and immediately get angry. Somebody blames you, immediately get angry. You want to say something bad to the back to the person, shoot with words back to the person or something. There's something in there. Or, you maybe not in the front of that person, but you talk about the people so bad. Gossip. make those other people your friends, not angry. They're not looking at that person bad. But then after you are Because after you gossip, then they become, then they also become, that person bad. By believing you, that person bad. Because you didn't like, so your friends also, you make your friends something like you bad. So they like that, normally like that. So anyway, what I'm saying, so here, so whether the person done this, so many things, but, like the Jabja Kundalavaram mentioned, somebody went around Dashurumba monastery, the circumambulation. Then there was one man sitting in meditation. So what are you doing? I'm practicing patience. Then the man said, then you eat caca. You eat caca. So he was practicing. He said, just now he said he's practicing patience, but then they heard, you eat caca, you are practicing, then you eat caca. So, you eat caca. So like that, they rely back immediately. So like that. So, no, neither realization nor even practice. No, when you are something blamed or something, then immediately fight back. You see, angry back. You see, so even cannot practice patience. So that's then you can see. You can see they have done so many things, but. You see, some straight, but they didn't develop the mind. No change of the mind. So you can see, if beginning after many years before the practice was like this, but now more practice, patience, more soft. That's good. More compassion. More soft. Not immediately not immediately shouldn't bully to others. With the body, spirit, mind. Not like that. More soft, more gentle, more patient, more humble. That's good. In the Lama Ishi's book, on the Kapal Monastery, before Lama left, it was a notebook on the table. And when the Lama passed away in Los Angeles, when I reached from Dharamsala, finished his the 8th Lamrim All Transmission. Teaching commentary, teaching the. The one is middle, Tibetan, graduate part, middle capable. So I missed the beginning part as well, because I was to the Lama's relics to the Switzerland and so on, Japan, to the blessed. But I mean, doesn't need blessing, of course. But through there. Then after that, I distribute the centers. At that time, we don't have that many centers as we have now. So then went to Nepal afterwards. Then I saw the note. I saw a note, Lama, on the Lama's table, note. It said, real learned. The wise, somebody wise Dharma, wise, but it says real learned. real energy, real wise. I mean, it is wise, the words and the explaining, I mean, the thing about Dharma, philosophy. But real wise is humbleness. Humbleness, that's said. I think Lama, I don't know, from teachings from his own or some books. Real, not to explain words, and this is like a rest scholar. The real wise is being humbleness. That's matter. Then mind becomes humble. Not just somebody but disturbing your self-chasing thoughts, attachment, but then kind of immediately should, angry or hurt, say something ugly words or some with the border spirit mind. When they was not like that. Can't stand unable practice. Very control mind. After having done so many things, meditation, this and that. Start this and that. I start this. So many sutra texts, so many tons of texts. Start this and this, receive teaching this and this and this and this and this. And retreat or whatever. Then your mind is so on somebody liberty, touch your ego, touch your self-chasing thoughts, something then can't wait, can't hum back. So you see, so no humbleness. So the mind becomes more humble, more patient, more compassion. More devotion. Then that is what so many things what is done not. Whether you understand Dharma, you understand Dharma is very little. The mind is like that. It's very good. Yes, and gets better year to year. That's good. So should check that. That's good. So, So the so like that. So at the evening time, at the end as I do prayer there. So that, so discover also, then practice like that, think like that, practice. So, you think like that, then it's like that for you. It's the quotation. So, you see, so like that, it's incredible. And then you say, then you see every atom of the holy body is all the Buddha. Every atom of the Guru's whole body, it's all is numberless Buddha. That. Then. With that then, with that thought, and then, generally, there's in London analytical meditation, reasoning, quotations and logics. Then, as I mentioned just before, and then fixed meditation, then that Buddha, keep after analytical meditation, then keep the mind in that nature, pure nature, that Buddha, fixed meditation, keep the mind that for some time. So the analytical meditation, fixed meditation. You begin analytical, then afterwards, and then when you prove to your mind, Buddha, fixed meditation. A little while fixed meditation. So that helps. Then also what I've explained the few days ago with the 100 beats with the mala, I mean, the ordinary aspects. How precious, showing me how precious, that is how precious and how kind it is, going over malas. I said one mala, but it's up to one person how much, to see clear, that, to discover, to realize. With that, then you see, offering service, whether you are far or whether you're close. Whether you are far, whether you're no matter how much far fulfilling holy wishes, fulfilling holy wishes, following the advice or service, or service there, whatever. So with that, the thought and the action. As I said, question to be like Miller say, no something but dalame. Later said, I don't have material, miscellaneous. I don't have offering of the miscellaneous, material miscellaneous. But no, I didn't remember the rest. No something but dalame. For fulfill the advice, fulfill the Guru's advice, wishes, but no material truth, not something miscellaneous offering. I don't have. So about the advice, wishes, then with the Mahaprabhu pleased, most pleased. Then he achieved unified state of Vajradhara in that life, in that brief lifetime of destined time, even though early life, killed so many people through black magic, and so many horses, many animals. So like that, you see. Yeah. Allez. So, So whether you are far or close, so fulfilling Guru's wishes or advice, so, or on the offering service for them, whatever you're doing, so, or then do the thought like that, or thought, well, think, something, so, and then thought, then the something, then joy, then so, then or devoting with the following with the action on the happens. So then, without feeling of difficulties. So when the something is very good, then joy, then with the action, fulfilling the advice and or the resting over service. Because I respect the material offering, if there is all that, and just. With great happiness, and so not thinking, not fighting, not splitting, not fighting with yourself. Self-chasing thought for self-chasing thought you want to, and then you follow self-chasing thought, and then renounce the Guru's the advice or the teaching or the something so not happening. Following the Guru with action, with thought action, not happening. Then kind of not pleasant, not happy life. And then not happy life. Then the body is like you have eaten rocks inside, not happy life. Then your life become very miserable. See. But that is not just miserable this life, but I don't know. Thousands, millions goes on, destroys, harms. So maybe events. There's not wrong this life. If it is on this life, it's easy. But not that questions not just life, but millions and I don't know. So see, so you can see why so much emphasized is beginning to be careful. Why is beginning so much emphasized to be careful? You can see now. So they told devote. So they so that involves the beginning. Just anybody you meet. So see, then one day or maybe it may not take one day, but see, even same day, then the Guru is renounced. Do not fit your selfish mind, give up. The same day, first day teaching, then give up. Even the same day, or next day, or week, or whatever, month or year. Yeah, so that day, anyway, then many problems. Amazing. Then so To then to be exact, what mentioned to then something, but to them is having realization. Something but Shanyas from the Holy Mother, the Lama, to them something. The way of devoting the virtuous friend. Devoting, I don't know, is the mind, but the actions. Lama Tensor's way of relying upon, or way of following, or relying upon the virtuous friend, Lama Tensor. You are practice whatever the Guru taught. Whatever the Guru said, you practice. Just do actualize whatever the Guru says. Listen whatever the Guru says. Whatever, whatever you. What is might sound in the West, sounds strange, but it's mentioned there. Whatever you have offer means, that means to collect yourself to collect most excess merit and purification. Also the Search said this, but in the West it's a little bit strange. People might take it the wrong way, very strange. And so there in Tibetan, it's okay. But in the West it's very, very easy to take the wrong way. It all depends how you think. It depends what the fit to the mind or not. Karma, how much karma there is. Right, some marriage, how much marriage, some not much marriage, then everything you take wrong way. It's much marriage, then it's recognized, so valuable thing. So, for example, you see, for example, offering one glass of water or glass of tea or juice as something, or to the Guru, then become like making, juice offering or tea offering to all numberless Buddhas. You collect that message. Tea offering to numberless Buddhas. Like tea offering in the monasteries like Sarakat and Devun, tea offering, then the number, in Tibet, 1,000, like Sarah, 7,000. Sarah 7,700. So that gotten less, but so much. So the tea offering, So tea offering to the Guru, glass of tea offering, or the tea offering to numberless Buddhas. So that become tea offering, Tara tea offering, Vajragana tea offering to Mushajaman Buddha, Mandushiri, Jenisu, or numberless Buddhas. So you have to know that. You should know that. Must know that. Realize that. Must realize that. So any service you do. So means offering a glass of water or tea, you become closer to enlightenment. Lama, 당부도 그러고 섭지 당부도 이게 신의 된저 시계 된저 배게라 당부도 산주 공원은 야와잖아. 어디 so it benefits devoting their virtuous friend. So first one is bring close to enlightenment. 산주 공원은 야와. So this is whatever is small service, that makes you closer to enlightenment. By that, offering glass of water, or glass of water, or bucket of water to wash, or whatever, one fruit or one chocolate, whatever, that unbelievable privilege, merit, most, as I mentioned yesterday, most amount of merit, most extensive merit you collect. So, so it brings you close to enlightenment, even by the offering, not only fulfilling wishes or obtaining advice, or not only, but so then there's the offering service respect. Then the last one is offering. It's the last one. Even offering some chocolate or something that brings you close to enlightenment by that. So, the Dr. Sanjivan said like that. Kajani Tanga. Then Guru scolds is a wrathful mantra. Pacify your obstacle. Wrathful mantra. Guru scolds you, have to recognize the benefits. You have to recognize the benefits. The wrathful mantra, pacifying your life obstacles. Life obstacles, long obstacles to achieving enlightenment or ending. Then, Dungdang is Tongalas. So, Guru beats you, then blessing, you're receiving blessings. Also mentioned by the Drugan Changbajari. Drugan Changbajari mentioned the Kaju or Great Yogi, Drugan Changbajari, so savior of the sentient being Changbajari mentioned Kajan Tabo Thai. The scolding is a wrathful mantra. Pachesana teasel. If there's need obstacles to be eliminated, that will eliminate. Dungda chuna ongoing. We don't know what time. Isn't it? Dungda chuna ongoing. If the beating happened from the Guru, then by the Guru, the beating happened, or disciple receive beating from the Guru, then that's the initiation, receiving initiation. Ongoing. If you need blessings, then that makes you receive blessings. So, if you are disciple who see that way, not in the West, not in the West, very small thing, then you you take wrong way. Something hit by self-chasing thought, or your attachment, or your searching, or a little level, then put in prison, or then you punish, I asked you want $1,500 for that. So anyway, so like that. Someday vacation, I'm a tension more. To follow Ram Guru like that. Whatever Chaw said, whatever the Guru said, obtain to that. Listen whatever Guru says. Whatever you have to know. And that's all beating. Scolding is a Rasul mantra. The beating is blessings. Those who see that way, those who see in that way, then the Guru's blessing more. Chilame chelo nang lame chelo nang but your nessos and the blessings of Guru. Wow. So much blessings the Guru receives in that person's heart. Like Bharat said, like fire, blazing, so much. All the blessings, the Guru's blessings, so much received, definite through that person. Like that. Maybe start that.
Zaje böge joje metodam rera binjini de gembade sange jindu mite buage nanajin shabajo edam gururana mandala kami dayame
Janjasun Jordan
Jabanyam Gone Gondo Show.
Gawandi New Dada Lama Sunday.